Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade on TradingView. It's quite simple because right now if you click here on trade, we search here for paper trade. It's also standing right there, but if you can't find it, search it. And then we click on paper trade. Then we click on connect and now we connected our paper trade broker to TradingView, and that means that we can trade with a demo account or trade just to give ourselves some more experience on the trading platform. So now we can select here if you want to use this account or you want to use your demo account. And then after that, we can buy trades or open positions. But now we are trading likewise with a demo account. So this is how you can paper trade on the chart on TradingView. Now it's quite simple because if you open Bitcoin right here, we can select here the price. We can click here on buy or sell. And then right here, we can take profit or create a stop loss, what we want. And then after that, we click on buy. And now we open ourselves a position. So this is how you can paper trade on TradingView. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.